Pag na-disbar po ba, bawal nang gumamit ng attorney sa YT channel? Yes po. Because having the title of an attorney is a privilege po, no? Given only to those who are deserving to be lawyers. So pag na-disbar yung isang abogado, he will no longer have the privilege, no, to use that title. But kasi sa amin po, sa grupo ng mga abogado, it's a brethren of lawyers, no? Isang IBP kami. We are supposed to treat each other as brother lawyers. So pag may isang na-disbar, may isang na-suspend, as a brother lawyer, naaawa kami, no? Because we don't want that to happen also to us. But siguro pag nagkasala talaga yung isang lawyer, tapos dapat talaga ma-disbar, then that's his uh, call, no? He or she only has himself to blame, no? If nangyari sa kanya. But basically, we treat each other as brother lawyers. Kaya nga, in my case as a prosecutor, parang nasusurprise yung iba na lalo na pag nag-travel kami in going to courts in neighboring municipalities, pagdating namin dun sa court, kasabay ko yung PAW lawyer or kasabay ko yung abogado sa kabila. And sometimes they worry na, uy, baka si fiscal na ano na influence na ng abogado, or baka si fiscal baka binenta na yung kaso. So merong ganyang mga perception, but actually wala, no? Because outside of the court, we treat each other as friends, we respect each other, but inside the court, yan, dyan ka dapat maging tigre sa korte, no? While outside of court, dapat you must be respectful to your fellow men, to your peers, no? Kahit ano pang estado ng buhay niya, dapat respectful ka, kasi respect begets respect. Pag wala kang respeto sa kapwa mo, then you should expect that wala rin siyang respeto sa iyo. Yan lang, that's a simple rule po na dapat na minsan hindi lang na nasusunod ng iba.